Hey you guys, it's Megan. As always, I hope all of you are doing well. I hope you enjoyed a wonderful Christmas. I hope you enjoyed a wonderful New Year's. Happy New Year's, by the way. I know it's been a little bit of time since I've made a video. Reason being, life just basically happens sometimes and priorities need to be priorities. And I think a lot of you guys understand what I'm talking about. But the good news is I'm back. The wonderful news is I'm back with a Louis Vuitton New Year's biggest and best, and I do mean that literally, unboxing haul I've ever done. Now, I did title this video New Year's because I do consider this a great way to go into 2023. What can I say? But yes, these are items that I actually received for Christmas. You guys, yeah, just left Louis Vuitton. All I can say is it's going to be a good Christmas. What can I say? Look how pretty the decorations are here in Square. I love it. And I love the holiday packaging. And yeah, I think you guys can tell I'm in a really good mood. So here's the last. And I did want to let you guys know as well, Santa Claus sent me back to Louis Vuitton after Christmas. He did that actually yesterday. He sent me there. And he wanted to let me know that there was a bag there that I may consider. And actually, it was quite unprecedented that I would even like the bag. And yes, I did get the bag. So please be on the lookout for that video to be released within the next few days. Very excited to get into these unboxing, you guys. But before we do, for any of you guys that may be interested in joining my YouTube luxury community, I kindly invite you to do so by clicking on that subscribe button you see located right down there below on your screen. Also, by clicking that notification bell, you'll be notified every time I upload a video. So yay, I have been waiting for this moment, you guys. Literally, I've been waiting. We are past Christmas, and my rule is, I think a lot of you guys know, I cannot use a bag until I unbox it with you. So I'm so excited to be doing that right now. I do want to mention, for any of you guys that do follow me on Instagram, you were with me when I got this bag. But you don't know which bag that I chose, and I'm about to show you. This bag I've been thinking about for about a year because I remember I was going to Hawaii. Let me say this really quick, you guys, while I'm unboxing this. And there was a girl and she had this bag and it looked beautiful on her, absolutely exquisitely gorgeous. And I told her that. And ever since then, this bag has been on my wish list. And I finally pulled the trigger. Here is the dust bag. This is a gorgeous bag that I just cannot believe I'm holding right now. And I don't know if I have it in me to even unbox this. I mean, unravel this. I don't even have the words to say. What can I do? What can I say? Can you guys tell? I'm very excited about owning this bag. A little bit too excited, I must admit. All right, so here we have, okay, I gotta stop. Here we have, you guys have to accept her, okay? Beautiful and gorgeous. Eek, she's peeking. She wants to be accepted. We have to accept her. I know, I definitely do. I'm so excited. She's so pretty. Petite Malle Souple, beautiful, gorgeous bag, tote style, over the shoulder, and cross body. Now, when I went to Louis Vuitton before Christmas, like I said, a lot of you guys joined me on Instagram. By the way, if you're not following me on Instagram, let's definitely connect. LV Luxe Delight. You guys can follow me around with my fun bag journeys. But yes, this is a bag that I tried on in store. At first, I didn't know if the length of the strap would be long enough, but it was, and I found it to be absolutely beautiful. So this bag does come with this, I'm gonna pronounce it wrong, but that's okay. I think you guys know what I mean. Jacquard, something of that nature. Strap, which is absolutely beautiful. What I love about this bag is the elegance. What I love about this bag is the fact that it's so very carefree. So let me briefly go over this, you guys. The luggage tag in the front is absolutely gorgeous. You have the monogram canvas that wraps around the bag. You have the beautiful leather corners with these golden little tabs right there that say Louis Vuitton. You have the beautiful dangling chain right here that is just too pretty. And you know what I love? I love this little handle right here. I find it to be so unique and very, very edgy for this bag. Also, I'm just loving these extended zippers on the side, which make it very easy to get inside the bag. And when you do open the bag, you are greeted to a beautiful opening with microfiber lining, black lining. And this bag was indeed made in France. It has a zip pocket in the back. Very, very roomy, as you guys can tell. I do plan on doing a more in-depth review on this bag because it's just so amazing. But yes, you guys, when I was trying it on in the store, I I fell in love. What can I say? And can someone please explain to me, why did I not even consider wearing this chain over the shoulder? It is a very long chain, as you guys can see. I was just thinking about the jacquard, however you pronounce it, strap, and how much I love that. So let's go ahead and try it on together for the very first time. You know what, you guys? I'm absolutely loving it. Actually, I think it's so pretty. I think it's so edgy. I think it's very unique, and I think it stands out in a very beautiful, elegant, classy, and gorgeous way. What can I say? I think you guys know I am in love with this Petite Malle Souple. I cannot wait to use you. Too pretty. So on to the next unboxing, like I said, from the Gucci fashion house. And yay, you guys, I'm just imagining displaying this bag. I have to do a room tour because I literally transformed the next door room into basically a Louis Vuitton luxury room where all my bags are displayed. I put a vanity in there. So yes, that's going to be a future video, near future at that. So yes, love this bag so very much. On to the next unboxing. Gucci, like I said about 3 or 4 times, it does come in this box. Some of you guys might be thinking that it's a bag. Maybe you're thinking that it's shoes. Let me go ahead and show you. Open this up. I love the wrapping, by the way. Okay, I just like something that I just saw, and I'll show you in just 1 second. But let me unwrap to go ahead and show you. I do have 2 dust bags. That's going to give you a good idea as to what it is, or shall I say what these are. You guys, I tried on quite a few and I fell in love with these. Yes, I did. They are absolutely beautiful. These are the new Gucci, I'm not sure how it's pronounced, I'm sure I'll say it wrong, but Rhyton sneakers. I love them, you guys. I tried these on in store and they are just too cute. They are of a cream color. I love the Gucci logo on the side. On the back, it's more low-key. On the side, it's more low-key. In the front, it's more low-key. And I love the logo. What can I say? I think these would be absolutely adorable with leggings, with shorts. They're just so cute and very versatile to match many different outfits because they are of a beige color. And I did mention when I opened this up that there was something that I was happy to see. Extra laces, yay, just in case. But yeah, you guys, I tried on quite a few. I'm still actually considering, I do own a pair of Gucci Ace sneakers, but they do have another pair that they released, which is canvas. So I'm kind of on a sneaker thing right now where I just think they're absolutely adorable, and I'm considering those ones as well because they are canvas, like I said, and I think they're pretty cute, but I did go with these ones. I have to tell you guys, when I open these up, I get a rush because I think to myself, I'm opening them with you, now I get to use them. I say that time and time again, but really it's true. I do not lie. So yeah, you guys, cannot wait to use these beautiful sneakers. They're absolutely wonderful. Let's get into the last unboxing. I did mention when I started this video that this is the biggest and best unboxing haul that I've ever done on my channel, and I meant that. Literally. I said the word literally. So let me go ahead and grab this very big, like I said, biggest unboxing haul I've ever done. Is this the truth? Is this the biggest unboxing? And I'm really just so excited about this piece. So excited. I would have to say I'm most excited about this piece. The only other pieces that would compare would be the ones that I had personalized with my name, Meg, because it reminds me of my dad. He always called me that. So that's always going to be number 1. But yes, you guys, this is very special. This is very unique, and this is unlike anything that I have within my collection. And like I said before, if you follow me on Instagram, you might have an inclination as to what's inside. Maybe you have an inclination if you aren't on Instagram. But again, you guys, if you aren't, please do. I love to show my bag and try to be helpful when it comes to different bags and what they can offer for you. I can't even believe I'm doing this right now, you guys. Here we go. Here we have the piece. Here we have the largest dust bag I have in my collection. Let's go ahead and open her up. Oh my gosh, you guys. All I can say is Oh, I'm too excited. That's all I can say. This beautiful. She's just going to speak for herself. She's so, so pretty. And really, I don't know why I haven't gotten a piece of rolling luggage yet. But now I can say that I do. This gorgeous Rhyton 70. How beautiful is this? And I love the little side tabs, and I was very happy to see that this piece was indeed made in France. And I thought to myself, if I'm gonna have this for the rest of my life, it's very nice that it's made in France. Now I want to go ahead and show you the back real quick. It does have kind of a silver gold finish. Very, very beautiful. The top does feature a vachetta little handle. When I go ahead and open it up, it does offer you the option to have a code. And here we have the beautiful interior of this piece. So, so pretty. And what I really love is the fact that right here, there is an upper zipper where it opens up and then it allows 2 pockets. And I love the texture, I must say. So it has a zipper on each side that opens very smoothly. And then it opens to look like this. Very, very roomy, I must say. Okay, so it does come with a luggage tag, which I do need to get hot stamped very soon, but it comes with this cover. And you know what I love about this cover? The fact that it will cover, my wonderful sales associate showed me, these vachetta tabs. Again, this is the Rhyton 70. Louis Vuitton does offer a size 55. Now the 55 is very wonderful because you can actually use it as a carry-on when it comes to airline travel. This one, however, cannot be used as a carry-on piece. It would need to be checked in. And there is no way that I'm going to check this piece into the airport. Just no way. I thought about it, and truly, for a lot of you guys that do follow me on Instagram, you know I live in California, and you know that I love to travel within the state a lot. I love going to the Sierra Nevada mountains. They're so vast. There's so many resorts you can stay. There's Southern California, there's Central California, there's Santa Barbara. There's just so many places to visit. So I thought to myself, well, I never plan on leaving California. So I love it, you guys. I cannot wait to use it. It will be definitely used along with my keep all because, like I said, I don't travel light. I'm so happy to have this beautiful piece added to my collection. And a quick question for you guys: do you have a piece of rolling luggage from Louis Vuitton? And if you do, what is your experience with that piece? Do you travel with it? Do you just travel with it locally? And if you don't own a piece of rolling luggage, do you have a keep all? And if you do, what is your experience with your keep all? I would love to know. As a Louis Vuitton lover, I'm always interested in knowing your guys' stories. So yes, so very happy to have this added to my collection. I'm going to go display it in my room next door, and I cannot wait to do that room tour. So yeah, you guys, what can I say? I'm in a very good mood. Very happy to have unboxed it with you. So that's going to be it, you guys, for this Louis Vuitton New Year's biggest and best unboxing haul I've ever done. If you happen to have any comments or questions on any of the items that I did go over, please do leave those in the description box below, as I truly do adore hearing from you. All right, you guys, now's the time within the video where I'm going to completely transition topics. For those of you that are not familiar with my video formatting, that's exactly what I do. I transition topics to speaking about something that's definitely more insightful, meaningful, and inspirational. Today, I would love to go over the message of the answer is on the way. When you look back upon your life, can you think of times where you just did not see a way? You just did not see a positive outcome to a situation, and you worried and worried. And now looking back, you realize God did have the answer. You know, based on the past, how God always has made a way for you. Please be encouraged that throughout life, right now, whatever you're facing, has the answer for you, and it's on the way. You just have to be patient, and you just need to keep the faith. There's not a problem that doesn't have a solution. You may not see the answer to it right now, but God has the answer. And I guarantee you, whatever problems, plural, that you're going through at the current moment, you will look back one day and you will see that God made a way for you. That's because He always has the answer for you. He protects you and He loves you. You don't have to worry. And when you think about it in this type of intellectual way. When we come to the end of our lives and we look back upon the problems that we had, do we want to say that we spent so much time worrying about those problems when we see that God always had an answer? I don't think so. Spiritual warfare is a very real thing, and when you feel worry, when you feel anxiety, it's not coming from God, because you guys know as well as I do that God is pure love. He's pure light. He's pure positivity. There is no negativity in his light. So when you feel that worry, that fear, it's important to acknowledge it's not you. You're being attacked from the enemy. And when those attacks happen, remember, God's right here, and you need to just squish him down. He's just a bully, and you don't need to pay attention to him. He has no authority over you whatsoever. God has you covered. He loves you. He will never give you anything you can't handle. So important to know that. And if you do encounter something you think you won't be able to handle in this life, he'll always give you the grace to get through that. So let me try to think of an example of things we may worry about. Well, some people have the problem of, and this is not all people, but some people would like to meet somebody in their life and it just hasn't happened yet. And they don't know if it ever will. And they're just really worried about it. Now, I'm definitely not saying that everybody needs to be with someone. I think a lot of people can live their lives without a partner and be completely happy for the rest of their lives. But some might find it to be a problem. Well, what if I were to tell that person that has that problem that on February 2nd of 2024, they were going to meet the person they were going to spend the rest of their life with? Would they ever worry anymore? Would they ever care? No. They'd be looking forward to it. And the thing is this, if that person really did want to meet somebody, God knows, and God will provide the answer for that. Absolutely, he will. There's never a reason to worry. Again, God wants you happy. Key is to trust him. The key is to know the answer is on the way. So that is what I have to say on the topic of the answer is on the way. If you guys happen to have any comments or questions on the topic that I went over, and or any comments or questions on my Louis Vuitton New Year's biggest and best unboxing haul I've ever done, please do leave those in the comment section below. I say it all the time, you guys. I mean it. I love hearing from you. If you did make it to the end of this video, I greatly thank you. And let me tell you, my next video will be released within the next few days, and that video is going to be amazing. Why? Because it's going to be the unboxing of a new release item that I have to tell you guys, I had my reservations about, I had my doubts about, and I was shocked at how much I love it. So I can't wait to show you guys that. Please stay tuned. Again, it will be released within the next few days. Very excited. Until then, you guys take care, and I look forward to seeing you very, very soon. Bye.